viewers, this is Mahantesh Bapri, BRP Secondary, Vijaypur Rural. So today I have brought for you a new video which is prescribed for 10th class English second language. It's a wonderful story, beautiful story which can motivate you. It's a realistic story. Before I start, I request you to like my video and press bell icon so that I can give you beautiful videos. So please give your feedback in comment box and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get beautiful, wonderful, useful video. So let's start this motivational and realistic story. So let's begin. So this is an inspirational story for children who always think about their helplessness. This story mainly tells us that physical disability is no barrier to success. The present story starts with Surender, who was a close friend to Satish. Surender came to hospital to meet his friend Satish and asked his friend, "Why didn't you come to school today?" Surender asked 3 times, but there was no reply from Satish. Satish heard him after some time and replied to him that he was not well. Satish said that he was pretty bad. He had gone through many operations. Satish also said that he was getting terrible headaches. He was also feeling miserable. Satish lost his hearing when he came back from holiday in Kashmir last year. So this incident was the tragedy for his life, so which inspired to learn, which made him to achieve greater achievements in his life, though he felt many troubles and tortures. Satish went to Kashmir with his father and brother in the last year. When Satish went on hiking with his father and brother in the, as they were crossing Ricket Bridge means weak bridge over some rapids. Satish and Inder were looking at the swirling water below them. Just then Satish's foot slipped and he lost his balance and fell down into rapids. When Satish regained his consciousness, or when he got his consciousness, his legs were in a plaster. He was in very critical condition and his head hurt badly. He was injured and aching all over the body. Though his legs were healed, but they remained weak. Many operations were done on them. He suffered frequently from the bouts of fever and ear infections. So he was a boy of 8 years old. He faced many problems there. Satish felt helplessness and he was upset of being on bed alone. The silence was worst for him. When Satish met with an accident, he was just 8 years old. So Satish did not go to school for long time. His brother was Mr. Avatar Narayan was very much worried about Satish. Because of long absent and hearing problem, the headmaster of Satish's school informed his father to look for a new school. Satish was not ready to go to school because his friends always insulted him for his deafness. His father advised Satish about the importance of education, importance of schooling. Finally, he agreed to go to new school. His father, Mr. Avatar Narayan, asked and appealed to headmasters of all schools in the city. He went to every doorstep of school, but every school rejected him. No school gave him admission because of his deafness. But no school was ready to take him or give him his admission. The school headmaster replied rudely to his father that their school was for normal boys and not deaf and dumb children. His father tried to convince that his son was not dumb. His hearing was short, his hearing was little bit bad and he would improve soon. No school in the city gave him admission to Satish. This was very bad condition on the part of Mr. Avatar Narayan and Satish. But his brother Inder sat for hours with him and talked to him and teaching him words and pronunciation with the help of the technique of lips reading. Satish could not tolerate the taunts and teasing of children in the neighborhood, so Satish stopped going out to play with the children of neighborhood. His father and brother Inder were trying to teach him many things, so they tried many ways. His father gave him many books which he bought from the market. The books were The Life of Garibaldi, which is translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand, works of Sharat Chandra, and several others. These books were very serious and they were meant for older children. So these books made him feel depressed. Satish was frequently facing bouts of fever and he was confined to bed. He felt lonely and looking outside through window, which, so let us see the incident which gave him inspiration, which made him to achieve something in his life. So one day he felt lonely and looking outside the window. So one day he was looking gloomily, where he was in very sad mood. So he was looking into the corner of the garden. He saw a bird which was unlike, which was very special bird, which inspired him a lot. The bird had a longish tail and a black crest. The most interesting about the bird was its restless energy. The bird's eyes were darting here and there. The whole body was ready to fly at any moment. Satish stared at the beautiful bird. It flew away after some time. Satish jumped on the bed and tried to sketch the bird with pencil from his memory. He remembered the bird and he sketched that bird in his notebook. He liked the picture. Here you can see the Satish was looking from the corner through window. Here you can see beautiful bird which had longish tail and black crest and its restless energy. The bird was about to fly. So this is a very beautiful picture which inspired him a lot to develop his career. So Satish had discovered his hobby of sketching with strokes. He developed his drawing and art. His father was not happy with Satish for his drawing and art. He believed that artist would get less amount. Artist cannot lead happy life. His father advised him to read books and get some knowledge to lead his life happily. His mother also asked him to enjoy Satish. So let us enjoy Satish and get his own source of entertainment. She also encouraged Satish in drawing. Father believed that artists would get little money and live in poverty. His father did not lose hope. He thinks that his son had a chance of recovering. At any moment he can be recovered. They must be always optimistic. Satish found his joy in painting in spite of his father's opposition. Slowly his father understood Satish. One fine day he brought many kinds of paints, brushes of all shapes and sizes, and many rolls of drawing sheets and gave them to Satish. So when Satish saw these all things, Satish became very happy and he hugged his father by saying, "Pitaji." So here you can see beautiful picture of his father's encouragement. Here you can see Satish was hugging his father. Here you can see painting materials on the table. It's a really wonderful picture. So his father said that he would find best school of arts. So his father decided Satish would go or would study arts, fine arts. So in this way Satish found his destiny in canvas and paint. Within short time he learned more than just painting, but learned about life. This is very important in everybody's life. It is this boy who now popularly known as Satish Gujral, one of the world famous painter. So his brother Inder became Indra Kumar Gujral, the Prime Minister of India after Sri H.D. Deve Gowda. So here you can see picture of Satish Gujral. So let's study about his achievement, what he achieved in his life. Satish Gujral is among the foremost, means most important artists in India. His interesting forms are painting, sculpture and architecture. He had only three forms of, though they were painting, sculpture, and architecture. He was also a good writer. So he made his exhibition of works were held all over the world in famous museum like Museum of Art in New York, the Hiroshima Collection in Washington, National Gallery of Modern Art in New Delhi. So he made many. Once no school gave him admission, every school was shut for him, every school was closed for him. He found his way to his destiny. He achieved without schooling. So this is very important, which can inspire many people. So his achievements, other achievements were, he published 4 books of his works in various arts. He awarded with the Order of Crown for the best architectural design of 20th century for Belgian embassy in New Delhi. So he was awarded another prestigious award, the Padma Vibhushana award, which is very high award. Totally, Satish's life of achievement is the best proof that physical disability is not barrier to success. Nobody can stop you. If you think, you decide, you do. So this is very important, children. Try to keep in your mind and go on studying. So this is the story. So let's study. Let's look into the lesson. How 2 marks questions were asked. How questions were asked. Firstly, these questions were suggestive. Why didn't Satish hear easily? First question. What happened to Satish in Kashmir? Explain troubles and tortures faced by Satish after he met with an accident. So fourth question, what did the headmaster of school inform Satish's father? Fifth question, why Mr. Avatar Narayan was not happy with Satish's drawing? Sixth question, what did Mr. Avatar Narayan reply to the headmaster who denied Satish admission? So these 2 marks questions are very important. Try to answer them in your own words, in your own sentences. So 7th question, how did Mr. Avatar Narayan try to teach Satish at home? So next question, how did his brother Inder try to teach Satish? These 7th and 8th questions are very important. So 9th question, name the books brought by Satish's father. So in the same way, next question, which incident inspired Satish to become artist? 11th question, how did Mr. Avatar Narayan encourage Satish at last to become artist? 12th question, how beautiful was the bird that Satish saw in the garden? So these were the some 13 questions. So let us focus on 4 marks questions or 3 marks questions, or we can say long questions. The first question is, so you have to prepare just summary of that lesson and try to answer according to the question. The first question is, how did Satish Gujral face many problems and became a famous artist? Here you have to write from the beginning, what happened to him, what are the problems he faced, how he overcame them, and how he achieved many things. So at least you have to write 1 page. So the second question, the life of Satish Gujral was story of achievement. Explain with the life story of Satish Gujral. So the third question, physical disability is no barrier to success. Elucidate means explain with the example of Satish. Elucidate means you have to argue, you have to explain with the right examples. Any question on this topic or long question, just try to interpret the whole story. At least you must add some 2-3 sentences according to the question. So along with, you have to prepare some extracts. So how extract can be recognized? So all double inverted commas are meant for extracts. So you just underline with pencil and try to add 3 questions for every inverted comma sentence. Who said this? Who is the speaker? And to whom it was said, and why it was said. And third, you can make such many questions and try to answer. So this is very beautiful, very easy story. So try to do in your own way. So let's complete this video lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can give you beautiful and wonderful videos. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new notification. Thank you one and all.